They're gonna tone it.
Storm coverage and the potential for severe storms will increase. Severe weather is occurring. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Champaign County until 7 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low flood warning for northeastern Champaign County until 7 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Red Pool, Gifford, Ludlow, and Penfield. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 248 and 257. The latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albert Roseville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Galesburg, Abingdon, Knoxville, Watauga, Oneida, Yates City, Williamsfield, Altona, Victoria, McLean, Ryo, Gilson, East Galesburg, Henderson, St. Augustine, Snake Bend Hollow, Galesburg Airport, Tehina, and Belong. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 34 and 66. Celebrating 150 years of National Weather Service.
Hello, Lincoln.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, Stark County, Knox County, western Peoria County until 8:45 p.m.
Oh, Peoria.
At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Altona to near Prairie City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, Abingdon, Knoxville, Farmington, Elmwood, Princeville, Wyoming, Cuba, Toulon, Hannah City, Glassford, Trevoli, Osceola, Brimfield, Avon, Oneida, Yea City, St. David, Williamsfield, and Altona. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 50 and 80.
Okay, see if they relay. Oh, they did. Okay, that's good to know. What the hell?
North Central County, Peoria County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Princeville to St. David and near Iowa, moving at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazard 60 miles per hour.
From Princeville to St. David and near Iowa, moving at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards to include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a
Peoria, Orangeville, Chillicothe, West Peoria, Bellevue, Princeville, Rome, Manitoba, Atlanta, Glassford, Trevoli, St. David, Spring Bay, Peoria Heights, and Norwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 470 between mile marker 0 and 7. Interstate 74 between mile marker 76 and 92.
What?
Interstate 74 between mile markers 76 and 92. Observations and forecasts. This is no weather radio. All hazards. Station KTV 65 in Bloomington.
Wow.
The National Weather Service.
Oh! WXC-75! Here we go! Oh, it's the Mason! Okay.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Easton, or 7 miles east of Savannah, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Okay, I can't get this.
Are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mason City,
are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mason City, Delavan, Manitou, Hopedale, Green Valley, San Jose, Emden, Easton, and Forest City. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 10 and 18.
Skies were partly cloudy. The temperature was 84 degrees, the dew point was 73, and the relativity was 76%.
After we rejected him.
Index was 88.
Wow!